Good morning all. Happy Saturday. Happy third day of Navaratri. Okay, shall we start? Let's start. Okay, I'll take a bit of time at the end of our class. I'm going to explain about a bit of 8 limbs of yoga and how 2 of it I will explain deeper on how it applies in your daily life. Okay, I'll talk about that. All right, come, sit up straight, close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep your spine straight, relax your facial muscles, relax your shoulder muscles. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Be at the present moment. Embrace your body. Embrace your breathing. Bring full awareness to yourself. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. If there's any thoughts in your mind, just be aware of it. Do not get engaged to any of your thoughts. Inhale and exhale. And tell yourself this 1 hour is all for yourself, for the practice, all of you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Stretch out your legs. Hands at the side, keep your spine straight. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale, towards your body. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale, towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale, towards your body. Inhale, bend your ankle forward. Exhale, towards your body. Legs apart, toes pointing to each other. Inhale, down to the side. Exhale, up to the center. Once again, inhale, down to the side. Exhale, up to the center. Inhale, up. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, up. Exhale, all the way down. Legs together. Hands on the knee. Inhale, lift up the heels. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Now bring both of your soles together. Move your knee up and down, Titriyasana, butterfly. Keep your spine straight. Now inhale, slide your cup. Exhale, elongate your spine and go down. Reach your toe or reach your mat. Go down. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, once again, you go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Stretch your spine and you release your leg. Bend your right leg. interlock below your right thigh. Spine straight, left leg straight. Inhale, up. Straight. Exhale. Sorry, left. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Exhale on your butt. Now you massage your sole up your knee and making sure your left leg is straight. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release and do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Now for your left leg. Interlock. Same thing. Spine straight. Inhale, up. Exhale, right. Inhale, up. Stretch your leg. Straight knee. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Exhale on your butt. Yes. Massage. Now left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Inhale, push down. Exhale, pull up. Release and do hip rotation. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Release. Right leg over left leg. Pull in to seated position. Stretch out your fingers. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Bend your thumb and your fingers clockwise. Wrist rotation. Anti-clockwise. Bring your thumb to your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale, up. Inhale, up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, look up. Then thumbs back to your shoulder. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Once again, inhale, up. Interlock. Exhale, look up. Stretch it. Inhale, you drop down to the front. Exhale, you go all the way back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward and release. Now for your neck. Inhale, up. Exhale, center. Inhale, down. Exhale, center to your right. Exhale, center to your left. Exhale, center. Tilt your neck to your right. Exhale, center to your left. You tilt. Exhale, center. Last part, eyeball exercise. Interlock, straighten up your elbow. Look at your thumb. Inhale, up. Exhale, center. Inhale, down. Exhale, center to your right. Exhale, center to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale to the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Relax your eyebrows. Look at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the center. And release. Right. Drink some water if you need. And let's start our Surya Namaskar. Let me see. You can. Come to the front of your mat. Yes. Gino, can move your laptop a bit. Kunjam move பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, great. Thank you. Come to the front of your mat, legs apart according to your hip width. Hands on Namaskar. Close your eyes. And tell yourself, this is a practice all for yourself. For your happiness, inner peace, good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. Through the practice of yoga, you will spread love, light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, to your family, and to all those around you. Before we start our practice today morning, thank the universe, thank the Mother Nature, the Mother Earth. Thank all the gurus, yogis, mahants, and rishis. Thank your teachers, thank your fellow practitioners, thank yourself, thank each and every part of your body for giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga today. Now you are fully energized to practice Surya Namaskar. Slowly open your eyes. Inhale sideways up to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way to the back. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Yes. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Very good. Gino, kaal konjam munnuku eduthukonga. Bring your leg forward, Gino. Konjam. Yes. 3, 4, 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Yes. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Okay, have some gap in between your legs. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mount. 1, knee straight. Hands fully down on your mat. Firmly pressed. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Come up. Exhale, child. Sit on your hips. Inhale, cat. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Yes. Breathe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Look up. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale up all the way. Exhale all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up. Then practice properly. Exhale all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Hold your breath. Inhale, cobra. Up until navel. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Look up. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Breathe. Two, 3, 4, and 5. Knee down, chest down. Knee down, knee down. Oh, sorry. Left leg forward, left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Knee straight, 2 more rounds. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knees straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Right leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. Yes, you breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring your leg forward. Inhale, open. Right leg, right leg. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale, all the way down. Left leg back. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, child. Inhale, cat. Exhale, mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Knee straight. Inhale, up all the way. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done. 5 rounds. Wipe your face, drink some water. And we will look into today's pose. Today's flow, today's flow is about morning flow on stress relief. Morning flow on stress relief. So we will look into that flow today. Okay. Okay, are we all okay? Yeah. Drink some water. Okay. 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 Okay, we will start from sitting. Okay, we will start from sitting. Sit on your mat. Okay, sit on your mat. Hands on the knee. Hands on the knee. Close your eyes. You breathe, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, take a last deep inhalation. Take a deep one inhalation fully. And you exhale through your nose fully. And slowly open your eyes. Yes, you are sitting here. Slowly tilt your neck to your right. Stay and put your hand. Place it here. Okay, right hand on your Hit the. Stay 1. Do not push. Do not push. Just place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come up, release to your left. Okay, tilt first, stay, and then place. Breathe. Only breathe through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly release. Slowly release. Now we're going to rotate our neck. Okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay. 3 rounds. Okay. Inhale, exhale according to your breath, to your nose. 1 round clockwise. Second round clockwise. Inhale and exhale. Third round clockwise. Inhale. So go slowly. Go slowly. And exhale. Anti-clockwise. Inhale. And exhale. Once again. Inhale and exhale. One last round. Go slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come to the center. Relax. And slowly tilt your neck up. Okay. Are we okay? Right. Now interlock your hands. Bring it up. And stretch it backwards. So you will inhale up and stretch it backwards. Can you see? Yes. And look up. 1, 2, 3. Don't loosen up your hand, tight hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly release. Slowly release. Place your hand. Come to this position. On your toes. On your toes. Okay, we will go cat and cow. Come, go together. Cat and push up, cow. Cat, stretch your frontal body and exhale, cow. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. 2 more rounds. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. One last one. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. Release. From here, we push ourselves to mountain. Okay, go mountain. Knees straight. Ears aligned with your shoulders. And you breathe through your nose. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop your knee down. Relax first. Drop your knee down. Relax first. Once again, you go up. Once again, you go up. Bring your right leg inside. See, your right leg will be hanging. Bring your right leg inside. You breathe. 1, go. Right leg inside, center of your chest. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go back. Relax. Breathe. Bring your left leg now. Go. The center. Yes. 1. Uluk push பண்ணுங்க. 2. Higher, higher. 3. Jivan, correct. 4. And 5. Bring it back. Breathe. Bring your right leg forward. Drop your back leg. You inhale, open, look up. Open and look up. See, open as much as wider as you can. Do not be like that. So you have to push, open up, and look up. Stay. 1. Open up, open up. You have to open your hands. Hands must be open widely. 2, chest must be open. Look up. 3. Breathe, breathe. Malini, your knee must be down. I didn't lift up my knee. You have to check what I am doing. Open up, open up. Open up. Open up your chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop your hands down. Bring your right leg back. Switch leg. Bring your left leg forward. Yes. Yes, correct. Mutti valichina, you lap it with your towel or double up your mat. Double up your mat if your knee is painful. Okay, come, open up your leg. Yes. Open up your chest. 1, correct, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring your hands down. Bring your leg back. Okay. Go mountain once again. Okay, bring both legs forward. Straighten up your knee. Okay, if it's not touching, it's okay. Just hold here. Straighten up your knee. Okay, inhale all the way up. Inhale all the way up. Okay, inhale all the way up. Go up. Be on your tiptoe. Stretch. Stretch your hands up. Be on your tiptoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Exhale all the way down. You exhale all the way down. Okay, exhale all the way down. Right leg back, left leg back, and plank. 1, plank. Do not lift up your hip. Hip must be down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right leg forward. Right leg forward. Drop your hands down. Drop your hands down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your leg. Leg drop. Now drop your leg. Like this. Front me, I'm showing front. Or they're presenting, now drop. Drop sideways. So you'll be sitting like this. And then you will go down straight. Go down straight. Okay. Drop. Go down straight. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come up. Switch leg. Switch leg. Switch leg. Drop your hands down. And look up. Switch leg. Drop your hands down. Look up. 1, 2, 3. Mita, wrong. 4, 5. Now drop your leg. Now you drop your leg. Yes, sideways you drop. And then go forward. Yes. 1. See, you have to remember what you did. If not, you'll do mistake. 2. Yes, yes. Correct, correct. Go down, go down. This one. Do this one. 3, 4, and 5. Come up on your knees. Come up on your knees. Okay. Now right leg forward. Once again. Right leg forward, you push. You will be on your toes. Interlock. Interlock your hand. Okay, you will go up and stretch it forward. Stretch it forward. And you stay. Come. Interlock your hand at the back. Yes. Yes. Jeevan, go lower. Go lower. Body. Yes. 1. Lift up your knee. Lift up your knee. 2, 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come down. Switch leg. Come down. Switch leg. Switch leg. Okay, now you lift up your knee and you stretch your hand. Good, good. Come. Yes, look down, stretch. கை எவ்வளவு மேல கொண்டு போக முடியுமோ அவ்வளவு மேல கொண்டு போங்க. Don't overstretch, but yes. You push your limit. Push your limit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop your knee down, hands down. Drop your knee down, hands down. Okay, now straighten up, go down, straighten up. You push cobra first. Push cobra, breathe. Okay, go higher than our Hatha Yoga Cobra. Hatha Yoga Cobra, go a bit higher than your Hatha Yoga Cobra. Do not hang your neck, just open up your chest. See, do not squeeze, but open up. Front, you see, See, do not squeeze, but open up and look up. This is squeezing. You know that you're squeezing. This is opening our chest. Chest opening. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go down. Go down. Relax. Breathe. Adjust your hand. We will do upward facing dog. Okay. We will do upward facing dog. Now inhale up. Same like cobra. Lift up your thigh. Just now. Upper melon. Okay. Now look up. Go 1. Hold. 2, 3, 4, lift up your thigh, lift up your thigh. 5, thigh lift up. 6, thigh மேல இருக்கணும். Your thigh must be lifted up. 7, push. Nalini, push up some more. No, your thigh must be up. Your feet வச்சு push up பண்ணுங்க. Good. 6, 7, 8, come down, child pose. Come down, child pose. Go child pose. Everyone go child pose. Relax, stay there. Stay there until I say come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and slowly lift your head up. Child pose, lift your head up. Okay. You slightly open up your leg. From here, you will go forward. Yeah, I'll do this side. I'm going to show right hand. You'll go forward. Right hand, you will bring inside. Left hand, place it at the back. And you look up. Careful of your neck. You do not turn your body. Do not turn your body. But, here, child pose beginning. You come up. You go forward. Right hand, you go down. Left hand, you place it on at your back. And you look up. Okay? Breathe. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You feel the stretch happening in your shoulder. 7 and 8. Slowly come up. Switch hand. Switch hand. So left leg உள்ளுக்கு போவோம். Left hand உள்ளுக்கு போவோம். Right வந்து yes, correct. And gazing up. Do not open too much. Just breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come up. Slowly come up. Okay, and stretch out your legs forward. Stretch out your legs forward. Okay, you will lie down. Okay, from here, okay, see first, before you do, see first. From here, you will push out, use your elbow to push your hip up. From here, you can adjust your hip up. Okay, and then interlock your hand and push it down. And look up. So the hip do not drop. Okay. In case your hip is not going up, it's dropping, use both of your hands to push it up like this. Okay. Use both of your hands to push it up like this. And then you stay. Okay, this. Okay, and then you stay. Okay. Come. Okay, everyone do this then. Okay, everyone do this. Everyone do this. Okay. So do this. Your hip. If you think it's balanced up, then you interlock and bring it down. Okay. Okay. Come. Inhale up. Inhale up. Yes. Go 1, 2. Breathe. Breathe. 3. Good. Malar, push up. 4, 5. Okay, Manish. Okay, Naren. Have a good day. 6, 7, 8, and slowly come down. Slowly come down. Relax, relax. Slowly come. Okay. As you come down, you are like this. Okay. As you come down, you are like this. Turn both legs to your right. Turn both legs to your right. Like this. To your right. Both legs, huh? Like you are like this. Turn both legs to your right. And then you look to your left. Look to your left. Both legs to your right. Look to your left. Shoulder firmly on the, don't carry this, don't carry your shoulder also. Okay, hands down, both hands down, look to your left. Pick up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Switch leg. Yes. Switch to the other side. Okay. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stretch out your legs forward. Stretch out your legs forward. Lie down, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Observe your breathing. All you do now is observe your breathing for 2 minutes. Observe your breathing. Your inhalation, exhalation, that is going from your nose and out to through your nose. Okay? Observe. Observe your body. Now come back to yourself. As usual, turn to your left, use your right hand, come back to seated position. Come back to seated position. Come back to seated position. Get up your hands on your eyes, face, shoulder, hands, and legs. Okay, once again, rub your hands on your eyes, face, shoulder, hands, and legs. We will end it with the
pranayama breathing. We will do Brahmari pranayama. Most of you have done it. I will teach again. Okay, normal seated position. Place your thumb, place it closing your ears. Full hand, place it on your head. Okay, if okay, don't close now. What you should do, you should close this. Okay, this you should close this. Okay, you should close this when you are doing it. If you do not close now, then you will not hear me. Okay, as usual, you'll inhale through your nose. You'll inhale. I'm gonna hum. Let me know if you can't hear my humming. Inhale. Then you'll hum. You will exhale through your throat. Actually, you'll exhale. Did you hear me? Can hear? Okay. Okay, and the humming sound. Okay, humming sound முடியற வரைக்கும் hum பண்ணனும். கடைசி அந்த breath இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் நீங்க அந்த humming sound கொடுக்கணும். முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. And then you why place it on your head is so that you can feel your vibration. Okay, feel the humming or vibration வந்து இந்த fingersல you will feel. Or if you feel uncomfortable holding it like this, you can place it like this also. Why this is to close all the prana traveling areas சொல்லுவாங்க. எங்கெல்லாம் prana travel பண்ணுதுன்னா இந்த கண்ணு, மூக்கு, வாய், காது. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல எல்லாம் prana travel பண்ணுது. prana energy. So இதெல்லாம் close பண்ணனும். That's why we are closing the ears especially. Why another thing why we are closing is to hear your own breath. So outer சத்தம்லாம் உங்களுக்கு விளங்காது. So that's why we are doing this. Okay, we are closing so that இதுதான் main. So that பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு உங்க சத்தம் மட்டும் தான் கேட்கும். மத்த சத்தம் எதுவுமே கேட்க கூடாது. Okay, and do it louder as much as you can. Do louder as much as you can. I can't hear, but make sure you do it louder. All right, or you can you unmute? Everyone unmute so I can unmute yourself. Unmute. ரெண்டு டிவைஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கேர்ஃபுல்லா. Okay, let's do sit up straight. Must sit up straight on your mat. Okay, let's do. Okay, do 3 rounds. Do it on your own pace. Do it on your own pace. I will not stop you or I will not count. Do it on your own pace. நான் ஒண்ணே மட்டும் தான் சொல்வேன். Inhale, exhale சொல்வேன். Then you start. Okay, inhale. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale through your nose. Sorry, through your throat. Louder. Done. Slowly release. I'll mute all of you. All right. Slowly release. Can you hear me, right? Okay. That is called Brahmari pranayama, humming breath pranayama. இது வந்து good sleep, stress, anger இதுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Okay, let's say திடீர்னு பாஸ் மேல கோவம் வந்துருச்சு. நேரா பாத்ரூம் போயிட்டு ஹம்மிங் பீ செய்யுங்க. Okay, but make sure பாத்ரூம்ல டாய்லெட்ல யாரும் இல்லாம பாத்துக்கோங்க. இல்லாட்டியும் கஷ்டமாயிடும். Okay, it can be done at any point of time by anyone. For pregnant mothers it's guided. For pregnant mothers it's guided. For kids it's good for kids. It's good for anyone except for pregnant mothers. Konjam guided, but they still can do. Anyone can do. as I said, benefit வந்து good for stress relief, good for anxiety, good for anger, especially anger, and also good for better sleep. Okay, ராத்திரில கூட இது செய்யலாம். Okay. Okay, and yep, we are done. I will talk about, as I said, I'll talk about 8 limbs of yoga. I'll briefly explain. Okay, I'm going to take a session for this. We will do only maybe next week. We'll only do Surya Namaskar, and I'm going to explain everything about these 8 limbs. So we will only do Surya Namaskar next week for our Saturday class. Okay, I'll briefly explain these 8 limbs. Okay, 8 limbs na code of conduct in yoga, which you can apply in your daily life or in your work, in your family. Okay, இதுதான் 8 limbs. Okay, some of you have explained, some of you are very new, so I'm going to explain again. Okay, 8 limbs: yaman, niyama. Okay, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratihara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. Okay, இது 8 இருக்கு. Okay, 8 இருக்கு. Some of this probably you will understand. Some of this probably you understand. Asana. Okay, third one is asana. Asana is, you know, the practice that we are doing is asana. Okay, the fourth one is pranayama. Pranayama is breathing. That one that we just did, and all the breathing techniques that we will learn. Okay, asana, pranayama, pratihara, it's withdrawal, okay, of senses. This one I will explain also on our next class. Okay, dharana and dhyana. Dharana na moderation, dhyana na, you know, meditation. Okay, sorry, dharana na concentration. Dharana I've explained. Tratak, we have done tratak. Some of you have done tratak. That is dharana. Comes meditation, dhyana, and then kadisiya dan samadhi. Okay, and the samadhi means not samadhi is the ஒரு நிலை சொல்வாங்க, ஒரு நிலை அடையிறது தான் samadhi. You are very content, you know what you are doing, you are very this one. Today I'm going to explain yaman and niyama. Sunday and next week now I will explain briefly on this. Okay, today I'm going to explain slightly a bit of this yaman and niyamas. What is yama? Okay, I'm going to explain what is yama. Can hear me, right? Can hear? Okay, I'm going to explain what is yama and what is niyama. Yama is external ethics that you do to the world. Okay, to the world. Okay, like okay, yamansla 5 இருக்கு. Okay, yamasla 5 இருக்கு. Ahimsa. Okay, ahimsa na non harmful, யாருக்கும் கெடுதல் செய்யக்கூடாது. Okay, comes including food also comes under ahimsa, but I won't really touch onto food. Normally they will speak, those who are vegetarian, they will speak on ahimsa. Another animal கொடுமைப்படுத்த கூடாது. You can okay Miss Prima. Okay, thank you. Okay, animals கொடுமைப்படுத்த கூடாது, மனுஷால கொடுமைப்படுத்த கூடாது, including your words, your thoughts and everything. That is ahimsa. Second one, satya. Satya na truthfulness. Okay, talk only or do only things that is right, things that is truthful. That is satya. Third one is asteya. Asteya na non-stealing. Okay, stealing not only benda, not only things that, okay, let's say I'm stealing the pen, I'm stealing the rubber eraser. It's not only that. Stealing people's knowledge, stealing people's work comes under asteya. Okay, third one is brahmacharya. Fourth, brahmacharya na not unmarried. Adilla brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is a thing that you do, you are moderate, you know what you are doing, you are always think before you act. Okay, aparigraha. Okay, aparigraha is another in the yamas likla. In the pratiharavam aparigraham I'll explain on next week Saturday. This is yamas. Yamas is things that you do to the world. Okay, second one, niyamas. Why I'm explaining this earlier is I just want you to have a brief understanding, because yaman and niyamas the main nammaloda main core. How you apply yaman and niyamas together with your asana and pranayama determines who you are, and it will actually, you will know who you are as you practice. Okay, I want all of you to know this. That's why I'm explaining it earlier. Niyamas the things internally that we do to ourselves, and to ourselves lah, to ourselves. Saucha is cleanliness. Okay, இந்த குளிக்கிறது, okay, வீடு சுத்தமா வச்சுக்கிறது, இதெல்லாம் சௌச்சா. Okay, santosha, happiness. Okay, happiness and also content. You're very content of your practice. Okay, like நான் வந்து இதை அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும், நான் இதெல்லாம் நான் செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு ஓவரா போகாம, இன்னைக்கு நான் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கேன், I'm very content to today's practice. இன்னைக்கு okay, I'm injured and I can't do this asana. It's okay, I'm very content. It applies back in your daily life also, whereby you have to be content on what you have, okay, how you are and stuff like that. Okay, and tapas, swadhyaya, and also Ishwara Pranidhana. Kadisya Ishwara Pranidhana is surrender. Okay, Ishwara Pranidhana is surrender to the Almighty, or surrender to Guru, or surrender to your practice. That is Ishwara Pranidhana. Swadhyaya is before Ishwara Pranidhana is Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya is self-analyzing. Okay, sometimes when you do self practice, இது ஸ்வத்யாய வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஒரு சாதனா செய்யும்போது, ஒரு practice சாதனா செய்யும்போது இந்த ஸ்வத்யாய வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம். How you practice, how you self analyze. Am I breathing correctly? Am I placing my hand correctly? Okay, இதெல்லாம் இல்லாட்டியும் what will happen? You will break. Actually, இந்த practice வந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா ஓடியும். If you don't analyze yourself in your practice, okay, on your mat, when you don't analyze yourself on your mat, it will actually, there will be no the truthful benefit of your practice will not be there. Okay, சும்மா வரேன், மேட்ட போடுறேன், practice பண்றேன், போறேன். Okay, I've paid my class, சும்மா வரேன், practice பண்றேன், நான் போறேன். Okay, yes, eventually you if you have started like that, eventually you will grow, and your growth, you will see your growth. Eventually you will know what you are doing, you will eventually evolve and some do like that. Some of I have certain students, I had certain students that normally they'll just come, practice and go, just come, practice and go. Okay, not only me, we have some of our the teachers also, we have come, practice and go. But most of the students will actually practice this. Okay, most of the students will actually analyze their practice, ask a lot of questions, tell that okay, எனக்கு கால் இப்படி சரியா இல்லை, இந்த கால் இது கரெக்டா, இந்த கை இப்படி வச்சிருக்கேன், இது கரெக்டா. Okay, see, all of this, as you apply to your practice, you will tend to apply this all in your daily life also. அது வந்து எப்படின்னா, as you do something, it will become your habit, right? So that habit will actually eventually you will be applying in your daily life also. Okay, that's why I actually emphasizing this. I'm going to, இது வரைக்கும் I have not really went into this, but after this I will gonna explain. On Sunday I will do a slide. Okay, we will have on Saturday we will have a slide whereby I'm going to explain everything in detail. You can have your notes, you can write down, or if you have any questions you can ask me on next week Saturday. Okay, so make sure be in my class next week so that you will have more knowledge on all these 8 limbs. Okay, I'm going to explain. இது மட்டும் இல்ல, see, yamas lunge இருக்கு, niyamas lunge இருக்கு. இது தவிர்த்து இன்னும் ஒரு இது 2 சொல்லிட்டேன். Okay, 2 na 6 இருக்கு. Okay, there's another 6. You can take notes later on next Saturday. Okay, if you have any questions, you let me know. Okay, this is briefly. So as I explained, in yamas there's satya, ahimsa, satya. Okay, எதை கடைபிடிக்காட்டியும் கூட, okay, எதை கடைபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல, எது where to follow, I don't know. Okay, make sure you follow ahimsa and satya. Okay, follow these 3: ahimsa, satya, and also asteya. Okay, ahimsa is non-harmfulness or non-hurtfulness. Satya is speak the truth. Third one is asteya, is non-stealingness. Do not steal people's knowledge, or do not steal people's things, or do not steal people's work. Okay, உங்களை அறியாமலே சில நேரத்துல நடந்துரும், but you have to realize it. Sometimes, you know, it tend to happen, or you know, it could happen. Okay, அக்காவோட மேட்டை சொல்லாம எடுக்கிறது, okay, தங்கச்சியோட சட்டையை சொல்லாம போடுறது, இதெல்லாம் okay, something I'm giving a norm things like this. Okay, ahimsa, you know, satya, be true, very truthful to yourself and also to people around you. Okay, this is very important. If you don't speak the truth, whatever you practice, however you are, and there's no point of your practice at all. Okay, let's say நான் தனிக்கும் practice பண்றேன், ஆனா நான் இதெல்லாம் கடைபிடிக்கிறேன். எதுக்கு நான் கடைபிடிக்கணும்னா நான் தனிக்கும் practice பண்றேனே. Your practice has no benefit, zero benefit. Probably physically you will be stronger, but as in yoga terms you will not get anything. அதோ டீச்சர் கிட்ட போய் சொன்னா டீச்சர் இங்க வலிக்குதான்னு கேட்டா வலிக்குது, எஸ் வலிக்குது அப்படின்னு ஒண்ணு சொல்லிட்டு போயிடலாம். அதுவும் டீச்சர்கிட்ட போய் சொன்னா it could be anything, not this one I'm giving example. You will whatever that you practice, you can't go higher, you will actually go lower. எந்த நிலையில இருந்தீங்களோ அந்த நிலையில இருந்து கீழே போயிருவீங்க. ஓகே, இதெல்லாம் code. This is what we call code of conduct. Okay, code of conduct normally they say in yoga, but for me when we explain itself, code of conduct we apply in yoga so that you will apply in your daily life. Okay, this you can teach it to your kids in the generation. As you grow up in your generation, you will, as you learn this, you will actually teach to your cousin, niece, nephew and your child. It goes, okay, so that they will have more awareness on what is going on what they're doing. That's why we are emphasizing this. That's why we have been taught to actually let everyone, my student, let everyone know that, okay, this is how it is. Okay, people tend to forget, people tend to overlook things that in this busy life. So as you practicing yoga, you are calm, you are aware. Okay, you're stopping, you know what you're doing, analyzing. See, it's all coming into this code of conduct, yama and niyama. Okay, I will send a picture also, group plan, you can see how it works. Okay, and then I will explain on Saturday. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much. I will see you all on Monday and also on Tuesday. Wednesday, some of you. Okay, take care, have a great day, have a great Saturday. Thank you and bye-bye.